Sweetheart, why are you crying? Nani, I'm finding maths very difficult. Oh, maths is such a wonderful subject. Come, let us learn maths together.
Honey Bunch, we have already covered addition. Today, let us come on multiplication. After addition, we are taking multiplication because there are many similarities between these two processes. Let us take one example. Suppose on first day, I put two empty bottles in this can, right? On second day, I put three empty bottles in the same can. So on first day I have put 2, on second day I have put 3, and on the next day, suppose if I again put only 2 bottles, that is on third day, then in this container altogether means addition sign, altogether there are 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 bottles, right? Now let us come on multiplication. Suppose right here, on first day I put 2 empty bottles in the container. So I write here 2. On second day also I put 2 bottles in the container. So write here 2 for second day. On third day also I put 2 bottles in the same container. That means one figure I am keeping constant. No change in that figure, though number of days are 3. So here, instead of doing plus, we can straight away say that for 3 days, I took one constant number, that is 2, and hence this particular example will go under multiplication. And the final answer here is 6. Now you will find that in multiplication as well as addition, the final answer shows the greatest number. That is one similarity. Secondly, we can solve multiplication problem as 2 plus 2 plus 2 also. And that is why addition after addition, we have to take multiplication. Rani Betty, do you remember that when you were in lower standards, at that time, you were very good at the tables from 2 to 10. Now also for multiplication, we have to know the 2 to 10 tables very nicely. The bigger number is usually taken as the upper number, and we used to call it as multiplicand. The lower number used to be a smaller one, and this was called as multiplier. And the final answer, which we could get by revising our tables, 3 2s are 6. This final answer was called as product in multiplication. This was the answer. Suppose your teachers ask you to multiply a 3-digit number, say 329, by a 2-digit number, 45. then how are you going to proceed? Here, first of all, we will have to know that this is in units place. So units place number we are going to utilize first. We will multiply this with this. 9 5s are 45. 45 number is written like this. This is our rough work. So 5 number comes here and 4 number goes up. Here we have to write plus 4. Now, we will multiply 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So from 14, 4 number will go here and this one number will come here as plus. Now we have come to 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Now there is no other number in front and hence 16 we write as it is. So what we have done? First we multiply these two numbers, then we multiply these two numbers and then we multiply these two numbers. So from 45, this unit number we have used and hence when we come to next number, we have to show that unit number is used. So here we go, cross and circle. Now in the same fashion, we have to go. Here we go, 4 into 9. Try to recollect either 4's table or 9's table. We will take bigger number, 9 4s are 36. So 6 goes here and let us wipe off the previous record and 3 goes here. This is plus. Now we are going to multiply these two numbers. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. That makes it 11. So if it is 11, we write 1 here and 1 goes here as plus. And now we will be coming in multiplication of these two numbers. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, that is 13. And afterwards there is no other number. So 13 has to go here like this. Now these two numbers have to be plused and hence 5 here, 6 plus 4 are 10, 0 goes here, 1 comes up here. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 and 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 is taken as it is because there is nothing here. So our answer is 14,805 and we can see that this final answer is bigger than 45 also and it is bigger than 329 also. So it is one of the similarity between the addition and multiplication, that is final answer is the biggest number. We know that practice is going to make us perfect, right? So one more example like this we will solve. Here 4-digit number is given to us and it has to be multiplied by a 3-digit number. Very easy. We have to proceed slowly but steadily. We are going to take this particular number first and then we are going to multiply this number with every one of them. So here we go. 7 6 are 42. I know my tables up to 10 very nicely, and that is why I can come to this particular answer. So out of 42, 2 will go here and plus 4 will go here. Now we are going to multiply this number with this one. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4. That is going to make 18. So 8 goes here and 1 goes here. Now we will be multiplying 7 with 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus this one makes it 36. So 6 will go here and plus 3 will be coming here. And now the last multiplication, 7 into 4, that is 28, plus 3, 31. There is no new number here, so we have to write 31 directly like this. This whole thing, whatever I have shown as a rough work, or these plus things, that has to be our mental work. In mind, we have to come across these figures. But this will come only when you have got a lot of practice. Now we have utilized this unit number here. And hence, when we go on second one, we will show that first unit number is already utilized by this sign. Now we come across this, and hence we will wipe off the RW, that is rough work, as well as plus numbers on top. We will be taking 2 now. 2 into 6 plus. So it makes 12. So 12, 2 will go here and 1 will be going up here on the second digit. Now we are going to take this. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So we will write 5 here directly. Now third digit here we are going to use. 5 2s are 10 plus nothing here. So out of 10, 0 goes here and 1 comes here. Then 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is 9. So here we have utilized this second number also. Let us wipe off the rough work or the mind work here. Now we have to show that first this digit we have used, then we have already used this digit, and hence we put this symbol here, this symbol here. Now we are going to come on 3. So let there be a marriage between these two numbers first. 6 3s are 18. So 8 comes here and plus 1 goes here. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that is 7. Then 5 3s are 15 plus nothing, and hence 15 comes here, 1 goes here. So this is also plus. And now 4 3s are 12 plus 1, that is 13. So our answer is 2. 8 plus 2 are 10. So 0 here, 1 addition here. 8 plus 5 13 plus 6 19 plus 1, that is 20. 0 here, 2 addition here. 7 plus 8 9 10. 0 here, 1. We have to add to next one. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 3 17. 17 plus 1 18. 8 here, 1 goes up here. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 remains as it is. So our answer is, final answer is 14 lakhs 80,000 2. Now, honey bunch, let us solve this particular question. Multiply the biggest and the smallest three-digit number. We know the biggest three-digit number is 999 because if we add one number to it, it turns into a four-digit number, and hence this is the three-digit biggest number. Now we have to multiply it with the smallest three-digit number. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Because if we minus 1 from it, it turns into 99, means it becomes a two-digit number. So this is the smallest three-digit number, or from this number, three-digit number serial starts. So this is three-digit smallest number, right? Now we have to proceed as usual. First of all, we have to see whether this particular question is meant for 2 or 3 marks, or it is only given in the form of a fill in the gaps. If it is in the form of a fill in the gaps, then you need not give the intermediate steps. But if it is for 2 or 3 marks, then it is better to give intermediate steps also. So here we go. We are going to select first this unit, and we will be multiplying it with this one first, then this one, and then this one. But we know that anything multiplied by 0 comes to a 0 only. So multiplication of this will turn into 0. Multiplication of this will turn into 0. Multiplication of this will turn into 0. Now we have to come on the next one. But we have to show that we have utilized this particular number in the units place, and hence we put this symbol. And then we take up the next one, next place, that is tens place. Again 0 is there, and we are going to multiply again this way. First this into this, then this into this, then this into this. But here also, anything multiplied by 0 means a 0. So multiplication of this turns into a 0, multiplication of this turns into a 0, and multiplication of this turns into a 0. Now what remains is this one. First two places we have already used, and hence we have to show it by this symbol. And now we will be multiplying this particular number with this one first, then this one, and then this one. So multiplication of this into this turns into 9 ones are 9. Multiplication of this and this, 9 ones are 9. Multiplication of this one and this, 9 ones are 9. Now wherever there is nothing, we will be placing 0. And then we have to add all these three. So here 0, here 0, here 9, here 9, here 9. So this is our final answer if the question carries 2 or 3 marks. But if the question comes as fill in the gaps, then what we have to do is we have to give the answer directly. We know here that multiplier has got 2 zeros after 1. So first of all, if such a type of a multiplier is there, then we put the same number of zeros in the answer first, 0, 0, and then we have to multiply this number only with 1. So 999 multiplied by 1 comes to 999. So this is our final answer given in 1 second. Honey bunch. Now let us see when there are uninterrupted zeros starting from the units placed onwards. Then whether they are in multiplier or multiplicand, we can solve the sum very quickly. For example, here is 500 into 200. Here are 2 zeros given on 2. Here are 2 zeros given on 5. So first of all, count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros first of all we draw. And then only these two numbers are remaining. So multiply them. 5 2s are 10. So add them here. This becomes our answer. Now let's come on this. Here is a 1 0 on 3 and here are 2 zeros on 14. So total number of uninterrupted zeros starting from the extreme right hand side are 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros you draw here and then we just have to multiply 14 into 3, that is 42. Because we know the table of 14, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42.
Now, Rani Beti, have you understood how to multiply big numbers? Yes, Nani. Thank you.